In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your notes using Google Keep by creating and editing labels. If you're looking to streamline your note-taking and keep everything neatly sorted, this guide is perfect for you. First, let's head over to Google Keep. It's a user-friendly tool from Google that allows you to make notes, lists, reminders, and much more, all synced across your devices. To get started, open your web browser and type in the URL for Google. Then click on the Google Apps icon, which looks like 9 small squares in the top right-hand corner of the page. From there, scroll down and select Google Keep. Alternatively, you can type Google Keep directly into the search bar and click on the first link that appears. Once Google's note-taking service is open, you'll see your existing notes organized like sticky notes on a board. To create a new label, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find a list of options available to you, such as your current notes and reminders. Scan the list until you spot the section called Labels. Labels in Google Keep act like folders, helping you group and categorize similar notes together. To make a new label, click on the small pencil icon beside the word Labels. This is the Edit Labels button. When you do, a sidebar will pop out with the ability for you to edit current labels or add new ones. Naming your new label is a fun part, and it can be as creative or practical as you want. Perhaps it's a travel itinerary, recipes, or work projects. Simply type the name of your new label into the text box given in the sidebar. Once you've typed in your desired label name, press the Enter key. Congratulations, you've just made a new label, a fresh digital drawer for you to start organizing notes. Remember, if you ever need to modify or remove labels in the future, you can return to this Edit Labels area. If the new label doesn't seem necessary anymore or needs a name change, just follow these same steps. There's no commitment to any label name, as Google Keep is fully customizable to your evolving needs. Now, with your label created, you can assign it to any note you take in Google Keep. You can do this by opening a note and clicking on the 3-dot menu found within it. From there, simply select the option to Add Label and choose from your list, and watch as your notes seamlessly fall into better organization. This simple yet powerful feature will help you, especially as your collection of notes expands. And there you have it. It's as easy as that to create and manage labels in Google Keep. Make sure to come back for more tips on maximizing productivity with digital tools. Until next time, happy organizing.